Click on the link below to get price. The Pulsar 6000W dual-fuel inverter generator is a remarkable piece of equipment designed to provide reliable power for various applications, from home backup during outages to outdoor adventures. One of its standout features is its dual-fuel capability, allowing it to run on either gasoline or propane. This versatility not only offers convenience but also enhances fuel efficiency, ensuring you have power when you need it most. The generator boasts a robust 6,000 watts of peak power and 5,000 watts of running power, making it suitable for running multiple appliances simultaneously. Whether it's your refrigerator during a blackout or powering tools for a DIY project, this generator handles it with ease. The inverter technology ensures clean and stable power output, which is crucial for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones, preventing any risk of damage. One of the most convenient features of the Pulsar generator is its remote start capability. With the included remote control, you can start the generator from a distance, which is especially helpful in adverse weather conditions or when you are working away from the unit. The generator also includes a user-friendly LED display that keeps track of voltage output, remaining runtime, and fuel levels, giving you peace of mind while using it. The generator operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for camping or other outdoor activities where noise levels matter. Additionally, its compact design and rolling wheels make it portable, allowing for easy transportation. However, it's worth noting that assembly may require some effort, but most users find it manageable. Maintenance is straightforward, and the generator comes with a set of tools and clear instructions. Overall, the Pulsar 6000W dual-fuel inverter generator is a versatile and dependable power source for anyone in need of temporary or backup electricity. With its powerful output, dual-fuel capability, and remote start function, it stands out as an excellent investment for both home and recreational use.